Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Queime Depois De Escrever is probably one of the most sought-after items in the market right now, and for good reason. This product has been making waves for its innovative features and impressive performance, promising to revolutionize the way we approach, mention product category or benefit. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious newcomer, understanding what makes this particular item stand out is crucial before making your purchase decision, as it offers a unique blend of functionality and user-centric design that sets it apart from the competition. Number 5. NPET K10 Wired Gaming Keyboard. Illuminate your space with vibrant LED backlighting. Customize the brightness and effects to match your mood and enhance your gaming setup. Don't worry about accidents. Its spill-resistant design protects against liquid spills and daily wear, ensuring it lasts through intense sessions. Enjoy a comfortable and quiet typing experience. The silent membrane keys provide a smooth, low-noise keystroke, perfect for any environment. Control your media with ease using dedicated multimedia keys. Just plug it in, and it's ready to go with any system. Designed for comfort and stability, it's perfect for gaming or work. It's compatible with most desktop and laptop systems. What we like. This keyboard offers vibrant LED backlighting for a stylish gaming aesthetic and enhanced visibility. Its spill-resistant design ensures durability against accidents, while the quiet membrane keys provide a comfortable, low-noise typing experience. If you're looking for a reliable and quiet keyboard for both gaming and work, especially in shared spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. It has 3 different color schemes plus one more to turn them off. They are also dimmable with 3 different levels of brightness. The keys feel nice under my fingers. They aren't clicky loud like the keyboard my kid uses. I have actually spilled multiple sticky sugary drinks on it and it keeps plugged away. Number 4. BIC Round Stic Xtra Life Ballpoint Pen. Introducing the BIC Round Stic Xtra Life Ballpoint Pen. It's designed for ultra-long-lasting and consistent performance, making it a reliable choice for all your writing needs. This pack includes 144 pens in classic black ink. You'll have plenty to share or keep on hand for any task. These pens are built to last, offering ultra-long-lasting ink. They are the perfect addition to your school or office supplies. Experience a smooth writing journey with consistent ink flow. Every word will be clear and effortless. The translucent barrel allows you to easily monitor the ink level. You'll always know when it's time for a new one. Enjoy a comfortable grip thanks to the round, flexible barrel. It's designed for extended writing sessions without fatigue. What we like. These pens provide an ultra-long-lasting ink supply for consistent performance. They offer a smooth writing experience with an even ink flow. If you need a large quantity of reliable black pens for school, office, or frequent writing tasks, this bulk pack is an excellent value. What people say. The product is very good and arrived well packed. The product is excellent, arrived quickly and well packed. The product is very good, arrived well packed and the delivery was fast. Number 3. GMAOPHY 16 in X12 in Magnetic Desktop Whiteboard. This double-sided dry erase board offers maximized writing space, perfect for managing multiple projects or for group teaching and memos. Its portability makes it easy to move from room to room. This large 16 by 12-inch set includes 10 magnetic markers in various colors, for magnets, and an eraser. It's the perfect size for desks, counters, or podiums, and its portable design allows for easy placement anywhere. This portable magnetic whiteboard features a sturdy stand with a 360-degree adjustable viewing angle. It can lay flat, hang on a wall, or stand on a desk without sliding, making it ideal for any setting. Enjoy a smooth and durable writing surface that's easy to write on and even easier to wipe clean without leaving stains. Remember to peel off the protective film before your first use. This versatile board is great for kitchens, dorms, offices, and classrooms. It can function as a calendar, a learning tool for students, or a space to boost creativity. It makes an excellent gift for anyone aged 15 and up. What we like. This large, double-sided whiteboard offers maximized writing space and comes with a comprehensive set of accessories. Its portable design with a stand allows for easy placement and adjustment, making it ideal for teaching, memos, or brainstorming. If you need a versatile and portable whiteboard for home, school, or office use, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The 16-inch by 12-inch size is just right, large enough to be seen across the room, but compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk or shelf. The double-sided magnetic surface is smooth and erases cleanly, even after repeated use. It comes with 10 vibrant markers, for magnets, and a sturdy eraser, everything you need right out of the box. The stand is stable, and the board feels well made overall. This whiteboard is a fantastic addition to any workspace. It combines functionality, durability, and convenience in a sleek design. Whether you're using it for productivity, teaching, or creative planning, it's reliable and enjoyable to use. Number 2. Quartet Magnetic Whiteboard 17x23. Introducing a versatile whiteboard that offers a smooth surface for writing and doubles as a magnetic bulletin board. It's perfect for various uses, performing best under light conditions. This compact board measures 17 by 23 inches, providing a generous 14.78 by 27.8 inch writing area. It fits perfectly in any home office or classroom setting. Crafted with a sturdy wooden white frame, it surrounds a durable painted steel writing surface. This ensures longevity and a clean aesthetic for your space. You can easily hang it in either portrait or landscape orientation to best suit your needs and available space. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need to get started is included. Mounting hardware, a dry erase marker, and magnet accessories are provided for your convenience. What we like. This smaller whiteboard features a smooth writing surface that also doubles as a magnetic bulletin board. It's designed for light use and can be hung in either portrait or landscape orientation. If you need a compact, magnetic whiteboard for light tasks in a home office or for school supplies, this is a practical choice. What people say. The product is a high-quality item. It is very durable and well-made. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. Queime Depois De Escrever. Prepare-se para uma experiência única. Esta é uma jornada que você não vai querer perder. Descubra novo jeito de ver as coisas. Ele vai te surpreender a cada momento. Não se contente com o comum. Ele foi feito para te tirar da zona de conforto. Explore novas possibilidades e deixe sua imaginação voar. Ele é a ferramenta perfeita para isso. Chegou a hora de viver algo extraordinário. Você está pronto para o que vamos seguir. What we like. This is the title of a book, Queime Depois De Escrever, in Brazilian Portuguese. If you are looking for a book with this specific title and language, this is what you need. It's perfect for readers who enjoy content in Brazilian Portuguese. What people say. The product is very good, it arrived well packed and the delivery was fast. The product is excellent, it arrived well packed and the delivery was fast. The product is very good, it arrived well packed and the delivery was fast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.